Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to blur license plates in CapCut. So let's get started. Here I have a clip, and as you can see the plate is not blurred. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to duplicate this clip. Now that I have it duplicated, I'm going to overlay the clip and select it under the original clip. Now that you've done that, you're going to want to go to the overlay clip and select a mask. Once you select the mask, you can, for license plates, it's better if you pick rectangular, and what you're going to want to do is crop the mask so it fits the license plate. Alright, now that I have that done, you're going to want to select keyframes, and you're going to keyframe that rectangle so it fits throughout the whole video. Alright guys, as you can see now I have that rectangle following the license plate. So now that you're done with that, you're going to want to go to Effects, and you're going to want to select the blur effect. And as you can see now it's doing the opposite of what we want. So you're going to go to Object, and you're going to select the overlay instead of. And there you have it folks, that's how you can blur license plates in CapCut. If you want more tutorials, be sure to follow.